Hi everybody, my name is Alberto Botero, and this is the Preparing Your System for Using Java video note. In this video note, I will be showing you the steps required to install the Java SE6 JDK and the NetBeans environment. I will also show you how to set the path variables on your Windows environment so you can use the command line options of the JDK, and how to set the class path variables if you need it. But before we start, let's go review the steps that we're going to follow next. We're going to navigate to the Java website. From the Java website, we're going to select the Java SE6 product. Once we get to the page, we're going to select the download options that will include the JDK as well as the NetBeans IDE environment. We'll be selecting our operating system, and we're going to download the file and start our installation process. So let's go start by navigating to the Java website. The official address URL for the Java website is http java.sun.com. And if you need to set up your environment, what you need to do is just go to the download area and select from the drop-down menu Java SE. So we select it in here, and what you're going to see in here is that you have an option to download the JDK and the NetBeans. So I'm going to click in this one. It's important to say that this option is only available for Linux, Lattice Spark, Solaris x86, and Windows environment. If you want to install it for a different system, I will show you later on what you need to do, but basically you need to install the JDK from here, and then you need to go to the NetBeans official website and download the NetBeans for your operating system. So now that we have selected Windows and we agree with the license agreement, I'm just going to click download and just authorize my Windows 7 Explorer session to download the file. I'm going to save it because maybe I want to run it later on, so I'm going to save it. And I don't want to make this video long, so what I'm going to do is just going to pause the video, and I'm going to continue when the download process is finished. So see you in a couple minutes. Okay, now that we completed the download process, let's go and run it. And we need to provide authorization, and hopefully the installation process won't take too long in here. I don't want to stop this recording. The time limit for videos on YouTube is 10 minutes, so I don't want to make this video longer than 10 minutes. So I'm just going to leave the default options for the JDK and the NetBeans, and just start the installation process. Again, there's nothing else that we can do in here, so I'm just going to wait for this to finish. Okay, now that we're done with the installation process, if you want to just help the Sun guys to improve their products, you can leave the check boxes on. I'm just going to disable the boxes. And I think that we're done with the installation process. So we go to our program files. We have the NetBeans IDE, and we should have also we go. Where are you, son? We should have the JDK as well in here somewhere. We can just go check it on the program files. We go to C. We go program files 36. We have Java. And here with the JDK 6.0 revision as 20, and then we have the Java runtime environment. Just need to go here because I need to copy this to set the class path variables. I'm just gonna leave it right there. Let's go back to our presentation. So we install the software. Then we need to modify the path and class variables. So I'll show you how to get that. So I'm gonna go to the start, and I'm gonna go to the computer, right click, and properties. And in advanced settings, I have an option here for environmental variables. And okay, I have already added in here, but system variables, I have the path, so you select path and just edit, and I already have the path to the JDK to the bin folder, so it's right there. You see it right there. If you don't have it, pretty much what you need to do is just add a semicolon at the end and add the path, in this case program files, x86 java.jdk.bin folder. And the same thing, I have the class path variable, and I just make it pointed to the local directory. So that's the way you can set the variables. Okay, so setting the variables, and guys, I think we're done. I hope you can set your system. Oh, I need to show you how to do it if you want to just go and do it yourself, right? So if we go right here, netbeans.org is the website for downloading NetBeans, and you can go download NetBeans free. Come on. And you can select in here the platform. So here you got the Mac OS. So in this case, what you need to do is just go download the Mac NetBeans IDE from here, and then from the Java website, you just will download the JDK and the Java runtime environment. So you will select this one and only that one. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and see you in our next video.